everyone. I am Rajesh Sharma in front of you. After the class 10th, now we started the first chapter of class 11th, physical word or introduction of physics. In our daily life, many examples of the physics we are also depend upon the physics. Our whole life and whole country is also depend upon the physics. To like as running, swimming, eating, writing, playing, everything is depend upon physics. And some important natural phenomena also basically depend upon the physics. That is the like as sun. But now we discuss our first chapter, physical world. Now the first topic is physics. What is a physics? Physics is taken by the Latin word physius. It means of construction and organization of the natural phenomena. The easier example of the natural phenomena is sun. Sun is the example of the electromagnetic wave. Sun is the example of the nuclear fusion. Sun is the example of the transverse wave. Now we discuss how will the sun produce the energy, because that was the main process of the sun to produce the energy by the process of the nuclear fusion. Now the question is stand in front of you, what is the nuclear fusion? When the two or more lighter elements to be combined, one heavier atom or one heavier element, that is known as the nuclear fusion. To like as when the tritium and protium are react to each other, then it is also formed a heavier atom, helium. The atomic number is 2 and atomic mass is 4. That is the example of the nuclear fusion. Because sun produces the process of energy by the nuclear fusion, and the carbon and nitrogen cycle is also function between. Now the sun is also example of the electromagnetic wave. What is the electromagnetic wave? This type of wave is propagated in the presence of medium and also in absence of medium. Now we can be easily understand by the process of sunlight is the electromagnetic wave. First we write electromagnetic wave. Now we divided in 3 parts: electric, magnetic, or we can say that magnet is also, and wave. What is electric? We know that sun is the bundle of energy because it is also known as the photon. It was generally described by the Planck quantum theory, that was the sun is bundle of energy by the Planck quantum theory. E is equal to h nu, where E is equal to energy, small h is equal to Planck constant, and nu is also known as the frequency. But the question in front of you, how will we say that the sun is electromagnetic wave? Because we observe that the sun is electromagnetic wave. Now we discuss by an experiment. First we take a photosensitive plate or metallic plate. When the high intensity sunlight is strike on the photosensitive plate, by the process E is equal to h nu, then body to be ejected electrons in presence of sunlight. The emission of electron in presence of sunlight, that is known as the photoelectron, and the process is known as photoelectric emission or the photoelectric effect. In our daily life, many examples of the photo emission or the photoelectric effect. We observe that the solar panel or solar cell, that is the great example of the photosensitive plate. When the high intensity ray of light is strike on the photosensitive plate, then body to be ejected the electrons and it will consume the amount of charge and current by the semiconductors. Therefore, the current is produced in presence of sunlight, that is the behavior of electric. Now we know that if any device or any instrument, when the current flowing device, then magnetic field is also developed in the instrument or device. That properties behave as magnet or the magnetic properties. Now the wave, now the means of wave, the wave is know that the disturbance go in the forward direction. We observe that is the sun, and when it will be strike at the photosensitive plate by EH nu, because the disturbance go in forward direction, because the disturbance is developed from space to the any other medium, to like as water, glass, etc. We know that the disturbance going forward direction is known as wave. Therefore, sunlight is also follow the character of electric, magnetic and wave. Okay, that is the basically concept of the electromagnetic wave. But it was generally explained by the 1927 de Broglie. It will be show that our sunlight is behave as the dual nature. What do you mean by dual nature? That character to be follow the particle and sometimes is also follow to the wave. Because the sunlight is electromagnetic wave. Now in 1927 de Broglie in 1927 it is proved that sunlight is behave as the particle nature. Because we know that if any wave is developed in the form of crust and torch, then the distance between two consecutive points or distance between two crusts or two torch, it is known as the wavelength. We know that the distance between two consecutive points or distance between two crusts or two torch, it is known as the wavelength, and de Broglie is explained by and relation lambda is equal to h by p. Lambda is equal to wavelength and small h is equal to Planck constant and p is equal to momentum. We know that the relation of momentum p is equal to mv. Now in the term of velocity we can easily written as v is equal to p by m. We know that sun is the electromagnetic wave and it will be ejected from any metallic or photosensitive plate by the process of the kinetic energy. K is equal to mv square because the disturbance from space to the any other medium. Now we discuss the relation of kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Therefore, in the relation lambda is equal to h by p, that was the first equation, and v is equal to p by m, that was the second equation. Now we put the value of the velocity relation of the kinetic energy. Therefore, k is equal to 1 by 2m. We put the value v is equal to p by m. Therefore, p square upon m square. Now m is cancelled from m. Therefore, kinetic energy k is equal to p square by 2m. If every electron is transferred from one point to another point to like as that, it is follow the property of the potential difference. Therefore, the relation is form of electron volt p square by 2m. Now we write the relation of momentum P is equal to root 2 MEV. That is our third equation. Now we put the value of equation number third to the value of the momentum is put in the equation number 1. Lambda is equal to h by p. H is equal to Planck constant 6.6 into 10 power minus 34, and we put the value of mass of electron 9.1, 10 power minus 31, charge upon electron 1.6, 10 power minus 19, and potential. That was the mathematical relation is 12.27 angstrom upon root V. The root V, it was generally the potential, but it was described by the Davison and Germer in experiment. That was basically the topic of the class BSc and the BSc level or the BTech level. But now we try to decide to what is the value of potential. When the value of the 50 degree and 54 volt, then it is also follow the nature of the dual character and the value to be changed. If the value is put on of the potential is 54 volt, now the lambda is equal to 0.659 nanometer. That was the dual character of the particle nature and wave nature of the emitted electron by the sunlight. Okay student, goodbye. Now we meet to our another video. Until then, goodbye.